Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 21st of July 2022. Looking across crypto markets today, we've seen a little bit of selling over the past day or so, and that's off the back of Tesla's earnings report. Now, why would that be? That's because it was revealed that Tesla has dumped 75% of its BTC holdings. Not so diamond handy now, are we, Mr. Musk? It was a year ago, just over a year ago, May of last year, where he was tweeting that Tesla has diamond hands, but a year later, and 75% of that holding has now been dumped. So quite an interesting move there, and that's just caused BTC to drop off a little bit there. So coming off the 24k resistance handle, now trying to find some support at 24. What else has been affected? Well, everything has just taken a little bit of a pause following the recent rally, just faded some of them gains from the past few days. Ethereum struggling to hold on to 1550. If we retest that level and we can't break back above, it might be a turning point for a move back down into 1280. Ripple needs to move down into the 1345, otherwise another higher low could be expected here and a move back to the upside to get into 0.370. And Litecoin basically has faded more or less all the weekly gains from this week and is now potentially heading for a move back into 50. Initially, we've got to see if it holds 55. You can see that was the high from the 10th of July, and we have just seen an initial bounce off there, so maybe that 55 handle quite important initially. A close below there on the H4 could signify a move to down into 50. That's a wrap for today's crypto brief. I'll see you all inside the chat room. Till next time, all the best of your trading. Bye for now.